What's up, team? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Mini Huggy Wuggy. These are creepy. They're all different colors as well. So many of these little things running after you. All those teeth. I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil. Use an eraser. Hit pause. We go too fast. So it's just like Huggy, just small, I think. And you can color it red or green or yellow or blue, like the original. So start with those round eyes, circles. If you have a coin, a compass, or something that gives you a perfect circle, you can use that. But if not, just try your best. Do do do. Okay, one circle. And this has a circle on the inside of it. Right, and this one is black, and you could leave a white highlight if you wanted as well, so like you could draw a circle up there and color around that. And then we do the same over here. So again, another sort of circle. His mouth kind of cuts this one off, but so it's kind of circular up here. Yeah, we'll do it circular. We won't worry about the mouth that much. And then the black pupil. Okay. All right, so then those big pink lips. So coming out from this eye, we'll curve around this side and then go up the middle, down, and up and around. So this comes down, big mouth. Up to there. Then we get the inside line. Follow the shape for the mouth just on the inside. All right, and sometimes, you might see like little textures on the lips, to show that they're kind of curvy. And then layers and layers of big gnarly teeth. So lots of these then. Sometimes you might see the gum line on top a little bit, but they kind of go in all different directions and stuff. And then the big ones on the bottom. And on the bottom, he has square ones in between. So like you can see his gum line down here now, in between the teeth. Right, and then there's like another layer of teeth like in behind. Like you can just see some like in here as well. There's like a black circle back there with I think some teeth like sticking up the bottom as well. So it's like there's two rows like a shark sort of. And then it's just like dark black inside there. And you could add more teeth, of course, if you wanted. Like, you know, feel free to make them as scary as you want. But that's scary enough for me, I think. So his head, right? So his head, like all this fur. Right, just coming out the sides. It joins up the top in there, and then so like there's lots of textures and stuff on his face. Like sometimes it seems like he has eyelashes, kind of like kissy messy, but then sometimes not. So you can give him eyelashes if you'd like, but I don't think he has them, but I'm not sure. I think I've drawn him with eyelashes sometimes. Right, so then he has this little sort of bow wrapped around his neck, or like a ribbon, like that. And then like strings hanging down. And then he's crawling towards us. So it's all about just like his limbs, sort of. So again, very hairy arms then. Long. Sorry, my head was probably... Was my head blocking that? I don't know. Sometimes I think my head was in the shot. Right, so that's like his arm on that side. Kind of comes across maybe like his chest, kind of underneath there somewhere. And then joins the other side. So, little sort of paws sticking out. You know, those yellow sort of gloves. And then just like legs crawling sort of down this way. That foot sort of disappears behind there, but I think we can see this foot a little bit. And you can probably see a bit of the fur of his leg there. Yeah, and you can make him as furry as you want. And of course you can shade it, add color, blue, whatever mini Huggy Wuggy color you'd like to do. Might do red. Or maybe blue, just like a mini blue version. I didn't finish his thumb there, sorry. Anyway, mini Huggy Wuggy. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.